My name is Marta Martinez. I'm from Dangriga. I grew up there.
Thank you.
I want to speak to the Buye. I think I know the work of a Buye from back home.
Confused when
but the confusion here in the United States is that there is so many messengers that I hear about. What is the work of those messengers?
I
know the work of Buye because I grew up right next to the temple of the late Sara. I only saw one person helping, assisting her, preparing medications and all that, like the boss said earlier.
Experience
my experience is that my niece had a dream with an old lady and she did not know her. Then she had a dream and she told me about it and she changed. And then she said, this is the word you said, and she has not been there when I was talking about it. I kind of didn't believe her then, but then we prepared for a mass. And that mass, before I came to prepare my offering, she got angry and she grabbed me. And then she probably got reincarnated by the Spirit and said, you know what, all the things you're doing, you don't really believe. Then I was told to that child what I was supposed to do. Then that child grabbed a liquor bottle here and then she drank it off, and the girl didn't drink. That's when she really believed that the spirits were present.
So, today I get out of what me what the neon and the water and the water Mama Libuido, Lasario, Abba, I don't know what I let me what me. Abba come at all her. Abba never had the house away where the canal house. Magaida about what we sang and Buddha. That's how we became to know and became believers, because right after that she also started doing things again, and then you got worried and asked, what did we do again? No, we just letting you know that we're happy. Yes. So in a fear way, how I feel now boy is still going to tell. Her neighbor young America is said. Mama soon had done with the Bugano name like around, and I met the room what happened.
I do believe on the Buye more than on the more than psychic. I believe on the Buye more than psychic. Now, but I don't see a lot of drums in the Garifuna Duel today. And the drums are very powerful.
Yes. So, I
So, I want to know what is the real
review of responsibility of the messengers here.
Mariba tilo wagoro luago promete luago nebo luago la como hole rengo luago la faruno agarao study.
There are three things that we should be discussing today. First is the playing of the drum, the constant playing of the drum.
Mama leda sunkate hasu la faruno.
Not, the drum should not be present in everything.
Segundo, mama wahore wagabri.
Because we don't play with our ancestors.
Leia buga aba leda le tiabe irahu tolu gana bella tayusurunu tagut luagu temegeiro.
The other one is that when that child came to be reincarnated,
Leran nogocho lugundo tobeido loma le loma hadagagono hada hagabri lugundo mama song gerege gahamotebe.
is because the best relationship there was among the ancestors, because not everybody had that.
Ayahe gerege guanate uha la dogone de machela goto renga teki.
You couldn't make her the good, and the grandmother would not show up to say thanks.
That's right.
Meme
But
lida le tiabe tahari hagat amuri hitubusi tuni ogwa huwali timati mere go timati lugundo lida le bona ata lida bona ni bisane feli tiabe.
but when the grandma comes and asks for what she wants, it's easier.
Liabe hane onaglei eresi bihargute domore hama yo wayuna golugara bel nihila kate chuguti lo luago badairo gubunyo gabala chele bomo bani hatia lugondo no girigie khurtu tuwani khurtu tura golo ibn lo hachele lo tachele tagetu tobe.
Then the messengers are only messengers, they are here to say and receive the Spirit and what the Spirit wants to say. Because some people are not able, the Spirit are not able to get in touch with them or in contact.
No giriga lugondo levi tura dalena rengo levi tura megi tohe murusuara megi tumunda luta chalaruno ne greve titi hon lo hachelo rinyi.
Some people require some spiritual healing, so they are apart from the ancestral connection.
Lida teginye aba berese go kebwele bo bebe aba liabe onagle lo lida ha lo lancho haara ne la gongo la gede ba la dege be remuruso kate lugondo lida aba dege mama boye araron belau dege labugo sia la ser be boye dege.
The messenger also helps prepare the medicine, because the buye or the spiritual healer does not do the work all by himself. He needs the messenger, he needs the drummer, and he needs the singers. But then the main ingredient are you, the owner of the offering of the ceremony.
So bit no home number the let what you go friend of mine no to mariba bete wale mariba ti lo gana bela wafrido la aba lomane aho ne henu bay what you go o friend of mine gana rete wa do bela mo rusu lo ba nasi bezo.
If you didn't understand, we need to have a general understanding before we depart.
Ligia awa halibaya.
That's what we hear.